Hi friends, my name is Jamshed. I'm here today to show you how you could install Google Chrome in your computer. So let's start. We can open a browser, could be any browser. I have Microsoft Edge. And on address bar, we just typing Google Chrome. So enter, and here we got down here we got Google Chrome download. We just click on it. Something opens up like this. The browser built Google Chrome, download Google Chrome. We simply click here, download. A process is starting down here. We simply click on it, open, and look like it start downloading. It will take few seconds to be downloaded. As you see the process going on, so we allow it a little time to be done. Hey your friends, all done. Google Chrome has been done for you. We just close it. I closed the other browser we had open. And let me see, here we got Google Chrome installed in our computer. All done friends, you got Google Chrome all yours now. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy. Bye bye.